Hi, Year 6. Today we're going to learn about electricity using electrical energy. So this is in page 2 and 3 of your textbook. So teacher Fatim here will be teaching using this cartoon. So hi! Okay, let's start. So your learning objective for today is to list items that use electrical energy in a given place. Boleh bagi list benda-benda yang menggunakan karan di sesuatu tempat. So your steps to success is to learn about electrical energy, learn examples of items that uses electrical energy in a given place, and learn what would happen without electrical energy. So, energy used by the items below. So here, teacher gives you 3 items. 1, 2, 3. A fan, a lamp, and an air conditioner. So how do these items turn on? What energy does it need to work? So try to think, what energy does it need to work? How do they turn on? And the answer is all these items need electrical energy to work. Semua benda-benda ini memerlukan karan untuk berfungsi. Okay, let's think. What items in your house use electricity? So instead of the items teacher gave you earlier, why don't you use your own house? Cuba kamu pikirkan di rumah kamu ani. Apa benda-benda yang menggunakan karan? So think of some items in your house that use electricity, and you can pause the video if you want to think a bit longer. Okay, if you're done, let's see some examples. So in teacher's house, there is a lamp, a television, a fan, a mobile phone, a radio, laptop, and refrigerator. So maybe your list has more items than teacher. It has some items that teacher doesn't have. That's fine because different homes have different items that uses electrical energy. You can have maybe some toys like a remote control car or a toy that uses a battery that also uses electricity. Okay, so next one. Which items below use electrical energy? So here are a list of items. Ada benda-benda sini. Mana satu benda-benda ini? Which of these items, bukan mana satu, mana benda-benda yang menggunakan karan? Which of these items use electrical energy? So try to look, try to figure out, see if you can choose or guess which of these items use electrical energy. You can pause while choosing, or if you're done, let's see what the answer is. Okay, so the first item that uses electrical energy is a dishwasher. So a dishwasher, this item is used to wash dishes. It can wash plates, cups, bowls, but it doesn't really exist a lot in Brunei. Ada pulang tapi mahal. Mostly this is used in America. The next, refrigerator. Refrigerator uses electricity as well. Toasters. Toasters use electricity. Cookware. So the cookwares here, this is a fryer, this is a steamer, this is also another toaster. All these 3 items use electricity. These items, so ada blender, food processor, mixer, grinder, all of these uses electricity. Salahnya tempat-tempatnya ni, blender is this one, mixer is this one, grinder is this one. This is actually a mixer, ani mixer, blender, ani kali grinder, ani food processor. Next one, microwave oven. Microwave oven also uses electricity. And then cooking range. Cooking range ani jarang di Brunei. Usually in Brunei you see there's a ventilator instead. Yang kipas angin kecil yang ada di dapur or maybe even in the toilet. There's also 2 in the science lab and also in Teacher Musa's room. Ada tuh in school as well. Okay, so what happens if we do not have electrical energy? Apa akan berlaku if nadakaran di dunia ni? What can we not use? Apa benda-benda kami tidak boleh guna? What happens if we cannot use it? Apa akan berlaku if kami tidak dapat guna benda itu? So you can think, what items do you have that use electricity? What happens if hindi dapat guna lagi benda itu? For example, if you don't have electricity, you cannot use your fan and you cannot use your air conditioner, which means because we live in Brunei, a very hot country, we will feel hot. We will be sweaty. We will have to use a fan, a paper to keep ourselves cool, or maybe kiap tangan to keep ourselves cool. So it doesn't have to be fan or air conditioner. You can think, what happens if we cannot use lamp? What happens if we cannot use car? Car itu pun guna electricity tu jua. What happens if we cannot use mobile phones? Think of that. Okay, so that's the end of our lesson. Now you're going to have to complete activity 1 in your workbook. Okay, good luck, year 6.